To connect your Avalara account to a platform you already use, add an integration. Once you add an integration, we are able to automatically import your transactions and use the info to prepare and file your tax returns. There are two types of integrations: integrations that only import your transactions, and integrations that also provide real-time tax calculation. Integrations that only import transactions are easier to set up. These integrations work with platforms that have already calculated sales tax for you. We import your transactions each day and use the tax amounts your other platform already calculated to prepare your tax returns. For integrations that provide tax calculation, we import your transactions and calculate the tax amounts. We send the tax amounts back to your platform in real time so you can show the tax to your customers during checkout. Because these integrations are more complex, they also require more setup and configuration. If you sell through multiple platforms, you may need to add multiple integrations to make sure that all your transactions are imported to your Avalara account. If you have one platform that collects sales data from your other platforms, you may only need one integration. That way, you avoid importing the same transaction multiple times.